Hi friends and welcome to another session on value investing. Today we'll be learning about the power of volatility and we'll be using a live example. ठीक है? See, a common question that option buyers always ask. The share price has gone up but my call premiums have reduced. Why? See, if the share price goes up, my call premium has to go up, no? But no, it comes down. Why? Share price has reduced but my put premium also has reduced. When the share price goes down, put premium has to go up, right? Why? Well, there are many culprits, but mainly there are two culprits. One is time decay, often referred to as theta, ठीक and the other is volatility. Today we'll be doing volatility. ठीक Volatility is one of the most important factors that determines the premium values. है ना? So we'll start. Small introduction. Yesterday was L&T's results, right? So whenever results are due, everybody wants to take positions. Whether you are a speculator, whether you are an arbitrager, whether you want to hedge, ठीक है? So all of them are busy taking positions. So when all of them are taking positions, since nobody wants to miss an opportunity, what will happen? There is a spurt in demand and supply, right? Everybody wants to take a position. As a result, there are so many buyers and there are so many sellers. So there is a spurt in demand and supply. This is high volatility. Too much of action, right? Lots of action is results in high volatility. As a result, what happens? Premiums are high. Okay, let us take an example of the lockdown. Now, lockdown was announced in Goa last week that in the weekend there will be lockdown. So what happened? All these non-MRP items, no, like I'll give you example of tomato was selling at 85 rupees kilo because there is high volatility. There is high demand. People want to buy tomato and stock it over the weekend, right? So as a result, the price went up. Similarly, also in share prices or share premiums, because of volatility, the premiums of calls as well as puts go up. ठीक है, अभी लार्सन का रिजल्ट था. So let's see what happened. So this is the position that I took, the transaction that I entered into. ICICI Direct से I have taken a small screenshot. Right, 22nd July को I took two positions. One is if you see here, I have sold 880 PE. PE मतलब put. ठीक है, and I sold 550 quantity, that is the lot size, so one lot. Premium value is 10.2, that is 5,610 rupees plus the brokerage and taxes. Similarly, I sold a call 1000 rupees strike price, call CE call 550, that is one lot. I got a premium of 11 rupees 40 paise. 6,270 is what I pocketed. So yesterday I got premiums worth 11,880. That was yesterday. Then the results came out. Next day, today. Okay. So let us first, before we go ahead, let us understand why I chose 1,880. 1000 I chose because I looked through the option chain. I already have explained to you what is option chain in the previous videos, so I won't go into details in that. So on the call side, I looked at the highest OI, which is 1000, so I sold the call. On the put side, the highest OI was 900, so I just played a little safe. I sold 880. Okay, so the highest OI in the put size is the highest support and the highest OI on the call side is the highest resistance. So based on the resistance and support, I have taken the position. See, when I entered into this position, the price of L&T was 927. So today, now let's see what has happened today. Today the price is reduced. Right, let's not get into whether the results were good or bad. Just let's understand the price action. Price action was today from yesterday's level, the price has come down. When I entered into a transaction, it was 927. Today at close, end of day, it was 916. So the price came down. Let's look at the put. 880 put क्या हुआ? Premium came down. ठीक है, yesterday I entered into a transaction at 10 rupees 20 paise. Today it is 7 rupees. So 3 rupees 20 paise per lot is my profit in the put. Call will obviously come down. Price has come down, so call premium has to come down. But look at the extent of the fall. From 11.4 yesterday, it has come down to 3.8 today. So there I made a 30% profit. Here I have made almost a 70%, more than 70% profit. ठीक है, दैट इज़ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वॉलेटिलिटी. वन डे का ही टाइम गैप है भाई, तो टाइम डीके का उतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. एक्सपायरी also is far away. Its expiry is more than a week away. ठीक है. So the biggest culprit here is volatility. In my case, not culprit. In my case, it is my best friend, since I am the writer. But in case of a buyer, the culprit here would be volatility. If you had bought these two positions, you would be sitting and wondering, भैया ये क्या हो गया, है ना? That is the impact of volatility. So when is volatility high? Whenever there is any corporate events like results, bonus, right issue, like अभी हाल ही में महिंद्रा फाइनेंस का भी था, it was a similar situation. Premiums just got eroded within one day, right? For those who tracked and did it. Then budget के time पे तो volatility is highest. And so too, even during cabinet meetings, whenever people are expecting some big announcements from the government, that time also volatility is very high. Ideal time to sell. But of course, selling has unlimited risk, so you need to be very careful when you sell a call or a put. है ना? So that is in brief about volatility. And you should remember that volatility and time decay are option writers' best friends. जो बंदा write करता है उसके लिए volatility, high volatility is always good. It's their best friend, right? And in for a buyer's perspective, it is their biggest enemy. The person who wants to buy an option, for him it is their biggest enemy. ठीक है. So with that, thank you very much. And I'd like to mention that I'll be doing a different session in detail about volatility, about the theory, about where to get the values, volatility, etc. in another video. Today was just to understand the logic, right? So that's about it today. Till then, thank you. And the standard disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Don't replicate the positions on the next day. The situation changes in real time. Use the logic, not the position. Markets are dynamic, so should be your positions. Option sellers, that is the writers, are subjected to unlimited loss risk, so please do not take unhedged positions. Thank you very much and happy trading.